Namaste friends, how are you? I am fine. Pavilions, they are familiar in stadiums, exhibitions and such similar spaces. But what about a pavilion? That too in a park. The practice of erecting such architectural beauties existed in some other countries even a few centuries back. But this garden grandeur we have in our own city in a park. The question is, how did this alien architectural beauty creep into the city of Bengaluru? It's an M.N. Krishnarao Park, a very well known garden space and a heritage park in Garden City. This beautiful building was introduced here in this space by Berlin-born famous architect Otto Königsberger. It's okay, but why did he choose of all the cities in India this space to introduce his brainchild? During 1937, his uncle Max Born, a very well-known physicist, stayed in Bengaluru as a guest of the Nobel laureate Sir C.V. Raman. Diwan Sir Mirza Ismail also knew Max Born, a high-profile visitor to the city. He inquired if he knew any trained architect. Of course, Max Born suggested the name of his brother's son, Otto. He was invited and was appointed as chief architect and planner of Mysore province in 1939. Meanwhile, M.N. Krishnarao, who was a member of the council and also was an acting Diwan during the absence of Sir Mirza Ismail, donated generously a huge sum of money in those days to lay a park exclusively for women and children. He wanted to help the women folk to come out from their never-ending routine of domestic responsibilities, at least for some time of the day, to relax and enjoy with their friends and children in this garden. His wish was fulfilled. A square-shaped walk with a huge lung space was created. Friends, the park served very well the purpose for which it was made. I will tell you a very interesting incident for that. The security at the park did not allow even M.N. Krishnarao to enter this park when he wanted to cross the garden. Of course, the security did not know who he was, but needless to say, Krishnarao was happy that his purpose was fulfilled. Sir Mirza Ismail, appreciating Krishnarao's generosity and realizing the importance of the park, also suggested to utilize the services of Otto to build a recreation center here. Accordingly, M.N. Krishnarao laid the foundation for the pavilion on 11th November 1940 and again provided financial assistance for the construction. Then Otto did the magic. He created this cute space in accordance with the ambience of the garden. Let me bow my head in reverence to M.N. Krishnarao, one of the greatest philanthropists of this city. Now come on friends, let me take you around this pavilion to show its exterior excellence. This is the front elevation. Even today, you can see the steps going to the first floor. The symmetry of the ground floor is so well administered that all the four sides have projected entrances. Look at the dome fronts. They look like that of St. Mark's Church in Bengaluru or the dome of St. Paul's Church in London. Let me enter inside to show the internal beauty of this program hall. Look at the dome from inside. It is so diligently done without any support. These are the precast concrete lattices. This technology had been already introduced in Baswangudi by 1938-39. Now I am going to the first floor to have a clear view of the dome and also to have a look at the wide hall. The vast space down here was used mainly by women to hold so many cultural programs. In fact, even I was also a guest for one such program held by women a few years back. But today, the hall is very well used by having a full-fledged library for the general public. Words cannot explain, or the camera cannot give you the experience of aesthetic elegance of this inner space. During those days, even owning a radio was a luxury. So, they used to air news and old songs from this hall for the general public. This workout space tempts me to do a little bit of exercise. I am a regular visitor to this park. You also come to this park. Now, MMK Park is full-fledged with all the amenities to suit all the age groups of both men and women. By doing so, you will be not only having the benefit of exercise, but also you will be paying a rich tribute to both Otto Königsberger and also MN Restaurant.